Happy Friday, Redeemer. It's March 28th. I'm Pastor Clark. What's your reaction when you see or hear the word detour? I must admit that my reaction is not ever positive. It usually means it's going to take me way out of my way and take me way more time than I want to spend going to the place that I'm going. I have the same exact opposite reaction to the word shortcut. It elicits all kinds of time-saving and mile-saving pictures. There's even a sense of privilege that comes with shortcuts. Everyone else has to go the normal way. I get a shortcut. But what about the way to heaven? Are there detours or shortcuts? More on that in a minute. In news, there are sign-up sheets for the Easter breakfast in the church and also in the ministry center. There are two different sheets, one to sign up to bring food and one to volunteer to help. We serve 2 breakfasts on Easter morning, and so we're going to need a lot of donations and also some help. On Sunday, we will be having an open forum meeting scheduled after the late service, March 30th that is, around noon, and we'll have an update on what's been happening in our ministry at Redeemer and where we seem to be going. We also are going to be having a call meeting. A call meeting's been scheduled for after the late service on Palm Sunday, April 13th. You'll get more information about that on Sunday. Philippians 2:8 says, being found in appearance as a man, Jesus humbled himself by becoming obedient to death, even death on a cross. Jesus was tempted many times to take shortcuts or detours on finding his own way here on this earth. He didn't take any of them because he knew that there was only one goal to his life, going to Jerusalem to die on the cross for you and me. Those same kinds of temptations are out there for you and me, but it's not about the way to Jerusalem, it's about the way to heaven. There are so many people that think that there are shortcuts or detours or even their own chosen way, and none of that is true. Sunday, we're going to talk much more about Jesus' road to Jerusalem. We're also going to talk about our way to the heavenly Jerusalem. I'll see you then. I'm Pastor Clark, and this is the Ministry Minute.